Welcome to another Weekends in My Garage. In today's video, we're going to be discussing this huge weather event that's happening in my area. We're expecting anywhere between 6 and 10 inches of snow in my area, and it gives me a chance to test out the Anker Solix F3800s, see if they will do what they're supposed to do in terms of making sure that we have electricity should there be a power outage. This is one of the main reasons why I installed the Anker Solix F3800s. It comes with this thing called the Storm Guard mode. It's a particular thing that you configure in the application. And what does that mean? It means that it will monitor the weather alerts for your area. So if you are in a particular area and there is a particular weather event like a tornado, a major thunderstorm, hurricane, or in my case, a huge winter storm that may impact the electricity in the area, this system will go into storm guard mode automatically and will prioritize the electricity to maintain 100% capacity inside the F3800s. So at any point tonight during this storm we lose electricity, we will have 100% capacity on ready to power our main devices that we have in the house connected to the HPP. Really excited about that. It provides a level of comfort and confidence knowing that with this huge storm coming, we're going to be okay. We'll have electricity and we can continue our normal activities throughout this storm period. We are at 100% capacity, ready for this storm. Thank you for watching this Weekends in My Garage video. If you're in the area, stay warm, be safe, and have a great rest of the week.